Work smarter navigating to folders with one click. Looking for that elusive buffalo herd? Well, maybe that isn't your problem today, but searching for a particular folder buried on your H or S drive is always a time-filled process. No more. You can open that folder with one click by pinning the folder to the taskbar. First, find that frequently used folder. Go to the Window Explorer folder icon on your taskbar. Left-click one time and the Explorer window opens. My last frequently visited folders are on the top, but I'm looking for a folder on my S drive. On the left under the icon, This PC is my shared drive. I'll open up a few folders to find Documentation. Let's say that this is the folder I often visit. To pin it to the taskbar, simply right-click and select Pin to Quick Access. Or if you'd like to simply drag the folder down to the taskbar and hover over the Windows Explorer folder icon, a little message will appear that says Pin to the Windows Explorer. The next time you want to open up that folder, you will find it pinned to the Windows Explorer's icon. The trick in this tip is to remember to right-click on the Windows Explorer icon in your taskbar. The folder will be at the top of the list right under the word Pinned. When you no longer need to find this folder quickly, simply unpin the folder and it leaves the top area. This tip saves so many clicks of your mouse, and it might ease the frustration as you work through your day. Work smarter. Pin those folders.